everybody. This is the custom of worker in Squid Game. Squid Game is the hottest film in the world. Just 25 days, it has 100 million people watch this film. Squid Game is the survival game. If you lose, this worker will kill you, but if you win, the worker will give for you very much money. If you want to know more about Squid Game, you can search in Google or YouTube or Netflix. Bye bye.